How to use SmugMug review properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. SmugMug is a leading photo sharing and storage platform, but beginners often misinterpret reviews or misuse features. Here's how to use it properly. Most people get this wrong. They assume all reviews reflect everyone's experience. SmugMug's performance varies by subscription plan, storage needs, and account type. Check multiple sources and consider recent feedback. Another common mistake is ignoring privacy and sharing settings. SmugMug offers detailed controls, but beginners may accidentally share images publicly. Always review sharing options carefully. Many users overlook customization features. SmugMug allows galleries, branding, and portfolio setup. Not exploring these options limits the platform's potential for photographers or businesses. Ignoring storage management is another trap. Large photo libraries can fill storage limits quickly. Regularly review and organize content to maintain smooth operation. Finally, beginners often skip understanding pricing tiers. Different plans include various storage limits, gallery features, and print services. Choosing the wrong plan can lead to unexpected restrictions or fees. In conclusion, using SmugMug properly means evaluating multiple reviews, setting privacy correctly, leveraging customization, managing storage, and understanding pricing tiers. Doing this ensures a secure, professional, and effective photo sharing experience.